You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Welcome back to workout 6. Are you ready to go? Give your high five to your reading coach and say, let's read. All right, so today we are looking at the letter L. The letter L sounds like L, not L, but L. Can you look at your reading coach and say the sound L? Good job. All right, today's game is called Count and Jump. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen for the words that your reading coach is going to read, and you're going to figure out how many times you hear the L sound within that word. If it's once, after they say the word, you're going to jump once. If you hear L twice, you're going to jump twice. And if you hear it 3 times, you're going to jump 3 times. So be sure to listen for how many times you say it within the word. And if it helps you to repeat the word slowly afterwards, I think it helps you to figure out how many L's are in there. Okay, so let's use the word holiday, for example. So I'm going to say holiday, and you probably will repeat holiday really slowly to see how many L's you hear in there. So let's do it together. Holiday. Ooh, all right, I hear 1, so you would jump 1 time. All right, go ahead and give those a try with your reading coach. All right, we are going to try the next activity, which is switching out the sound within a word to make a new word. So we're going to listen for the word L inside of the word pull, pull, and I'm going to change that L to a sh sound. So I'm going to try that. Pull, push, pull, push. All right, I changed the word pull to push. So you've got 4 more examples to try with your reading coach. Go ahead and give those a try. All right, let's do some more blending together. So we've got lots of sounds to work with now. So if we had our new sound, and we put it with our sound, and let's put it with our first sound that we learned, k. All right, get your fingers ready and point with each sound. We're going to say k. Now we're going to blend it together as much as we can with no spaces in the middle. So run one letter right into the next one. We're going to go lack, lack, lack. All right, we've come up with a new word. So have a look at the words that your reading coach has in front of them, and remember to blend them together as much as you can, leaving no spaces in between. Okay, we're ready to pull apart a word and see how many sounds we can find within that word. So for our example, let's use the word black. Now let's see how many sounds we can come up with within the word black. Now black is a really tricky beginning because there's 2 sounds that blend really closely together and really quickly. So we gotta really slow it down. Will you do it with me? B, a, k, b. Here, it's easy to put bl in one sound, so we're going to try to separate that out. B, b, a, k. Black. Black has 4 sounds, so I would need 4 boxes to put that word into. Go ahead and give the word a try that your reading coach has in front of them. All right, let's get ready to write our L's within a word. So anytime that you're trying to spell a word and you hear that L sound inside of it, you know how to pull it apart, you know how to put it together, so now you need to know how to write it. L's a pretty easy letter to write, but a lot of people start it wrong. A lot of people start at the bottom and just throw their arm up. What I want you to do is to make a very straight line by starting at the top again. Almost all of our letters, we're going to start at the top and come down to stay really in control of it. So we're going to start at the top, way up here. It's another tall letter, so we're not starting here. We're starting above the line, and we're going to start at the top. We're going to say I'm going to stop right at the bottom. right at the bottom. Go ahead and give your L's a try.